Dear friends, can you believe it? With just one very simple method, gray hair can gradually turn into a natural brown-black shade. No hair dye, no chemicals, and almost nobody knows about it. In reality, many people in their 30s or 40s already see gray strands appearing. Looking in the mirror, they suddenly feel 10 years older. Some choose to dye their hair to cover it up. But the more they dye, the weaker their hair becomes, easily breaking, falling out, and even causing scalp irritation. So, what's the right way to care for hair so that it stays dark, beautiful, and healthy in the long run? Actually, there's a very simple secret. It's not chemical dye, it's not expensive, and it can be done right at home. When applied consistently, scattered gray hairs gradually shift into a rich brown-black tone. Shiny and natural. It may sound strange, but the effect is backed by science. Coffee beans contain natural dark brown pigments. When used as a hair mask, these pigments coat the outer layer of the strands, like putting on a gentle brown-black jacket, without the harshness or dryness of hair dye. That way, gray hair is covered while the strands look shinier and smoother. Even better, coffee has caffeine, which improves blood circulation under the scalp, nourishes hair follicles, makes hair stronger, stimulates faster growth, thickens strands, and reduces shedding. On top of that, the antioxidants in coffee fight free radicals, the culprits behind premature graying and weak hair. That's why, with regular use, coffee not only changes hair color but also improves its strength from root to tip. Light bulb. And here's the best part. When coffee is combined with other familiar folk ingredients, the effect multiplies, for even longer lasting results. It's also important to nourish from within. Maintain a balanced diet. Add vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. Get enough sleep, and keep stress levels low. Of course, coffee isn't a permanent dye. The hair color tends to shift toward chestnut brown to dark brown and appears gradually. Not instantly black, but the advantages are safety, low risk of irritation, and long-term nourishment. Just use pure coffee. Let it cool before applying. Patch test on a small area first, and stick with it 2 to 3 times a week. You'll soon notice shinier strands, fewer gray hairs, and new baby hairs growing in stronger and healthier. Right finger now. Let's dive into the very first recipe. Dear friends, for those who are just starting to look for natural methods to improve gray hair, pure coffee is the most basic and easiest option to apply, and the results are surprisingly clear. The key point here is that it must be *pure coffee, with no sugar, no added flavorings. Only then can the melanoidin pigments and polyphenol compounds remain intact. These are exactly what bind firmly to the hair's cuticle when absorbed, creating a gentle, natural brown-black coating, not harsh like chemical dyes. The process is very simple. Prepare about *5 tablespoons of pure coffee powder. Mix with *400-500 milliliters of boiling water to create a very concentrated solution. Let it cool completely. Never use it hot, as that can weaken the hair. Next, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Towel dry until slightly damp. Then slowly pour the coffee over your hair. While doing this, gently massage your scalp for about 5 minutes. The massage not only helps the solution spread evenly but also stimulates blood circulation under the scalp, supporting healthier follicles. After that, cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap and leave it for about *60 minutes. Finally, rinse thoroughly with cool water. No shampoo needed, so the pigments stay on your strands. Here's how it works. The brown pigments in coffee have a small molecular structure that adheres easily to the hair cuticle, turning gray strands into a soft chestnut or natural dark brown. Coffee's slightly acidic pH also helps close the hair cuticle, making each strand smoother and shinier with less frizz. Meanwhile, the caffeine in the mixture can penetrate the scalp, stimulating hair follicles to extend the growth phase, helping hair grow faster and thicker. Antioxidants in coffee. such as chlorogenic acid, further protect the follicles from free radicals, which are a major cause of premature graying and weakening over time. If you stick with this method *2 to 3 times per week, within just 1 to 2 weeks you'll notice gray hair gradually fading, shifting into a natural chestnut brown, while your hair looks much shinier and healthier. And the subtle coffee aroma adds a relaxing, pleasant touch every time you rinse. This is a safe, gentle first step for anyone wanting to restore their natural hair color, without the side effects of chemical dyes. After getting used to the simplest method of using pure coffee to coat and shine the hair, you can take it a step further with a gentler recipe that's especially effective for those with weak, breakable hair. That is the combination of coffee and aloe vera. As you know, aloe vera has long been famous for its soothing, moisturizing, and cuticle restoring properties. The clear gel inside aloe vera contains more than 20 types of minerals, plus vitamins A, C, E and the B group, especially a compound called aloe, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cooling effects on the scalp. This helps reduce inflammation in the follicles and limits hair loss. When combined with coffee, which is naturally rich in dark brown pigments and caffeine, you get a dual benefit: natural coverage for gray hairs and stimulation of blood circulation under the scalp, leading to faster, thicker, and stronger hair growth. It's the perfect complement. Coffee works to color and stimulate the follicles, while aloe vera moisturizes, soothes, and protects the scalp. All you need to do is prepare *3 tablespoons of pure coffee powder and *2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel *. Make sure to remove the yellow latex, as it can cause itching. Mix them well until smooth. After washing your hair with a mild shampoo, towel dry until slightly damp. Then apply the mixture evenly from roots to ends. Massage the scalp for about *10 minutes to let the nutrients absorb and to boost circulation. Then pin your hair up neatly, cover with a shower cap, and leave it on for *30 to 40 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water. With this method, after just a few uses you'll notice your scalp feels more comfortable, no more burning or itching, and your hair breaks far less. For hair with only light graying, you'll even see a soft brown tint that looks youthful and natural. If you keep it up *2 to 3 times a week, within a month your hair will feel fuller, with much less dryness and frizz. In fact, there was a man in his 50s who had very thin hair and suffered from heavy hair loss. Each wash left handfuls of strands in the drain. After his daughter introduced him to the coffee and aloe vera method, he followed it consistently twice a week. After just about 5 weeks, his gray hair shifted to a brownish tone. New baby hairs became visible, and even his dandruff reduced significantly. He happily shared that he felt much more confident and healthier, no longer embarrassed when combing his hair. This is living proof that such simple, everyday ingredients like coffee and aloe vera, when combined the right way, can become a precious tonic for weak, graying hair, bringing long-lasting change without any reliance on chemicals. After experiencing the cooling and moisturizing effect of the coffee and aloe vera formula, you can take yet another step forward with a traditional folk remedy that has been tied to Vietnamese hair care for generations. This is the blend of coffee, soapberry, bouquet, and pomelo peel *, a true 3-in-1 solution. It not only covers gray hair, but also cleanses dandruff and the scalp, while stimulating healthy, fast hair growth. It can even replace commercial shampoos, which often leave hair dry and brittle. Soapberry has long been a familiar image in many people's memories. It contains saponin, a natural foaming agent that gently cleanses the scalp without stripping away its natural protective oils. In addition, the flavonoids and triterpenoids in soapberry act as powerful antioxidants, protecting hair follicles and preventing breakage. Pomelo peel, on the other hand, is rich in limonene essential oil and pectin, which promote hair growth, reduce shedding, and make the hair fuller and more voluminous. When combined with the dark pigments and caffeine found in coffee, this mixture becomes the perfect natural hair rinse. It covers grays with a soft brown-black tone while nourishing and restoring hair from root to tip. The preparation is not complicated. Take ***5 to 7 dried soapberries ***. Roast them lightly until fragrant. Then break them into pieces. Slice the peel of 1 fresh pomelo thinly. Put both the soapberries and pomelo peel into a pot with *** 2 liters of clean water. And boil for ** 20 to 30 minutes * to release their essence. Once you turn off the heat, add ** 5 tablespoons of pure coffee powder. Cover the pot, and let it steep for another * 15 to 20 minutes * so the coffee infuses into the solution. Strain the liquid and let it cool until it is comfortably warm. When washing your hair, pour the mixture evenly over your scalp and strands, massaging gently for * 10 to 15 minutes * to let the nutrients penetrate deeply. Then cover your hair and let it sit for another * 20 minutes * before rinsing with cool water. With this method, you won't need additional commercial shampoo, since Soapberry naturally cleanses while keeping hair soft and smooth. The results are very clear. If applied consistently * 2 to 3 times a week, within just a month gray hair gradually shifts toward a natural brown-black. The hair looks thicker and healthier. Dandruff is greatly reduced, and new baby hairs start to grow. Existing strands also become stronger, more elastic, and less prone to breakage. I vividly remember a woman from my hometown, over 55 years old, whose hair was graying, filled with dandruff, and constantly itchy. She decided to completely stop using chemical shampoos and switched to this folk recipe. After about 5 to 6 weeks, her gray hair turned into a deep brown. Her scalp was dandruff-free, and new hair grew in much thicker. Her hair looked full of life and bounce. She was so delighted that she vowed to stay loyal to this traditional method, saying it was not only safe but also restored her confidence every time she looked in the mirror. Dear friends, one important reminder: this method is completely natural, so the color develops gradually. It will not turn jet black instantly like chemical dyes. Each hair type reacts differently. Fine, soft hair absorbs color more easily, while thick or fully white hair requires more time and patience. Also, remember that coffee gives a natural, soft brown-black shade, not pitch black, so the effect looks youthful yet still harmonious with your face. Before applying it to your whole head, always test a small amount on the skin behind your ear or the inside of your elbow to check for any sensitivity. And make sure to use * pure coffee only, with no added flavorings or additives, to keep the pigments and nutrients intact. Finally, be careful not to let the mixture stain your clothes or towels, as coffee can leave marks that are difficult to wash out. Dear friends, taking care of your hair on the outside with coffee is an important step, but to truly keep your hair strong and healthy in the long run, we cannot overlook nourishing it from the inside. A head of thick, shiny black hair that resists premature graying is always the result of a balanced combination of good nutrition, a relaxed mind, and proper care. In traditional folk wisdom, there are many simple, everyday drinks that, when consumed regularly, can bring remarkable benefits to your hair. First, we must mention * roasted black bean tea. When black beans are roasted and then boiled into a drink, they release * anthocyanins *, a powerful natural antioxidant. This compound not only detoxifies the body, cools the liver, and supports diuresis, but also protects pigment-producing cells in the hair follicles from free radical damage. As a result, gray hair appears more slowly, follicles stay nourished, and new hair grows stronger with less breakage. Another highly effective drink is * black sesame, sesame seeds, cooked with soy milk. Black sesame is rich in calcium, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, while soybeans provide protein and isoflavones. When these two ingredients are combined, you get a drink that nourishes both bones and hair follicles, strengthening the roots and improving the thickness and shine of your hair. This has long been a beauty secret of many Asian women to maintain healthy, voluminous hair well into middle age. In addition, faux tea, Ha2O***, has been considered a miracle herb for hair in traditional medicine. A decoction or tea made from faux tea, often combined with a few red dates, helps enrich the blood and support the liver and kidneys, two organs directly responsible for maintaining hair pigmentation. When circulation is smooth and the liver and kidneys are strong, hair is well nourished, slowing down graying and preserving its natural black shine. Alongside these, you can also maintain the habit of drinking light green tea daily. Green tea is rich in catechins and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect follicles from oxidative stress, while cleansing the body, reducing cholesterol, and slowing overall aging, including the aging of hair. As you can see, each type of drink provides its own unique benefits. Black beans help with detoxification and minerals. Sesame and soy provide protein and vitamins. Faux tea strengthens the blood and kidneys. And green tea offers comprehensive antioxidant protection. By rotating and combining these simple drinks with external coffee care, your hair will be nourished both inside and out, slowing down graying, becoming stronger, fuller, and full of vitality. Dear friends, I have now shared with you *3 simple coffee-based recipes to naturally cover gray hair, while also strengthening it day by day to make it shinier and healthier. When combined with internal nutrition and care, this isn't just a kitchen tip, but truly a secret to regaining your confidence, preserving youthfulness, and enjoying more comfort in daily life. With patience, you'll feel noticeable changes in your own hair day after day. Right finger if you found this video helpful. Please like, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Song Komwaenge and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more natural health and beauty secrets. Wishing you abundant health, peace, and happiness with your loved ones. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.